So the easiest way to add a font, in my opinion, is just actually to go out into Google Fonts. So I'm just gonna open up a new tab. Let's take New Amsterdam, just tap Get Font, download all, and it's going to download our fonts. Now we can just click on this little blue check in our download folder, and it's gonna take us to our downloads. So I downloaded my whole queue, whatever. So let's go into our downloads, and it downloaded all of those. So it's gonna open it up here. And now what I'm looking for is that New Amsterdam. So I didn't realize that it downloaded all three, but that's pretty cool that you can just download them all and it's gonna make one zip folder. So you just wanna find that zip folder, tap on it, and now it's gonna open up a folder, and that's exactly what we want. So now we can just go back into CapCut. So what we can do is press the plus button, go into our browse button and go into downloads, and here we'll find that folder. So I found this folder, and now I can add my New Amsterdam font, press open, boom, now I have New Amsterdam. Super easy, really, really convenient. Another way that we can do it is we can go onto our desktop. We can, on a Mac computer, you can just open up your font book, and then when you find the font that you're looking for, just right click on it and it'll show it in the Finder. You can airdrop the font into your phone, then go to tap, and you can just go into On My Phone, and you can just search the font. So for example, Helvetica, you can see that's how I added it earlier. And that's how you can go ahead and add your own fonts either from your desktop or directly on your phone. Really, really easy.